What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today, as you guys can tell, we have a package right here. You guys probably already know what's inside from the title and everything. So inside the package, we have a SuperDeker, and if you guys don't already know what the SuperDeker is, you guys may have seen a video that I posted on my Instagram like a year ago. And that video got like 500,000 views, which is crazy. But anyways, if you guys don't already know what the SuperDeker is, it's an advanced stick handle and training aid. And it basically is a shooting pad looking thing. And it has these laser red dots, which you stick handle over. And it has a 45-second timer. So the goal is to see how many red dots you can hit in the 45 seconds. So without any further ado, let's unbox this thing. And let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we just got the shipping box, cardboard box off. Now we gotta open this up, but really quick, I'll show you guys a look at this. Bring you guys up close. As you guys can see, SuperDeker basically looks like that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It has a special puck for it, 45 seconds. The shooting pad that comes with it is really smooth, and I can tell you that from experience. Oh yeah, and it also has, you guys can probably see here, these are like bounce pads, bouncers. So yeah, let's get her open.
12 seconds later.
This is a workout. Alright, so I'm assuming this is the board, stick handle, shooting pad. And then these are obviously the bounce. And these are obviously the bounce backs. So okay, so this folds up. So this folds up. It's just cardboard. Okay. This is two pieces, this folds up, that's cool. Into the wall somehow. I don't know, we're just kind of winging this. Okay, so that sticks in. Oh, this has like a peel on it. We're not gonna peel that off just yet. Oh no, this has screws, I don't like that. Alright. Hands right there. Some instructions. Oh, here we go. Plugs in here. In there. Is that it? I think that's it. Put that over here. Let's use the instructions. That might be the best way to do this. Alright. And then that plugs in just like that. Right here. And then last we get the puck. And just so you guys know, you can't use a normal hockey puck on this. It will ruin it. It won't slide well. This puck here is meant for it, as you guys can see. It's a SuperDeker on it, if that will focus. Yep. So this slides nice. If you compare this to a regular hockey puck, this is plastic. This is obviously hard rubber, so that slides good. This doesn't slide as well. So yeah. So I guess we'll plug this in, get it set up, and mess around with it. Alright guys, so we just got this thing set up. We have it on top of these tiles right here, because we have, this is the closest outlet right here. The cord isn't extremely far, but it works enough. As you guys can see, we get the blinking light here. And basically when you want to start, you move this puck on top of that, and then that flashing light will go all around this. And as you guys can see, we have 45 seconds on the timer, and then you have your score. So let's mess around with it. $47. Alright, so we're going to do one more, see if we can beat 47, and then I think we're going to wrap it up from there. So yeah, let's do it.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. Did I change straight from the dog shit? No tape.
Alright guys, so the best I got tonight was 47. That thing is super fun. I'm going to get some videos out on YouTube, Instagram, everything, showcasing that a little bit more in depth. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up. It's very appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yep.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my